Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ants, those tiny yet incredibly strong giants of nature. You might be surprised to learn just how remarkable these little creatures truly are. Ants are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in our ecosystems. Did you know that there are over 12,000 species of ants worldwide? Each one contributes to their environment in unique ways, from aerating the soil to helping with seed dispersal. Their teamwork is nothing short of inspiring. When they work together, they can lift objects many times their own weight, showcasing the power of collaboration. What's even more impressive is their ability to adapt. Ants can thrive in various environments, from lush rainforests to arid deserts. Their resilience teaches us valuable lessons about overcoming challenges and finding strength in unity. Just like ants, we can achieve great things when we come together and support one another. As we explore the world of ants, let's take a moment to appreciate their intricate societies. Each ant has a role, whether it's foraging for food, caring for the queen, or defending the colony. This division of labor highlights the importance of community and how every contribution matters, no matter how small. So, the next time you see an ant, remember that these tiny giants are more than just insects. They are a testament to strength, teamwork, and resilience. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of ants. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more amazing insights into the wonders of nature. We appreciate your support and can't wait to share more with you.